how you can learn English in the morning. Hello guys, I'm Maria. Today I will tell you how I learn English by myself. Please, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. That helps me a lot. Every morning is a new chance to change your life. When you wake up early, your mind is fresh and calm. And this is the best time to learn English. Many people think learning English is difficult. But the truth is, you can learn English by yourself. You just need discipline, practice, and patience. I always tell myself that small steps every day make big results. First, I wake up in the morning and pray. Then I take a few minutes to relax and prepare my mind. After that, I start learning English. I begin with simple vocabulary, and every day I learn 5 to 10 new words. I repeat them many times and try to use them in sentences. Next, I practice speaking. I speak alone or with I like ChatGPT. I don't feel shy because mistakes help me learn and improve. Then I listen to English by watching videos or listening to podcasts, and I focus on pronunciation and understanding. You don't need a teacher to start learning English. You can learn at home using your phone. Just listen every day, even for 10 minutes. Repeat what you hear because this helps your speaking. Speak without fear and don't wait to be perfect. Learn new words daily and try to use them in your real life. Most importantly, be consistent and practice every day, even a little. Sometimes you may feel tired or lazy, and that is normal, but always remember your dream. Why do you want to learn English? Maybe for school, travel, love, or your future. Keep going even when it feels hard, because success does not come in one day. It comes with time and effort. Believe in yourself. You can't do it. Learning English changed my life, and it can change your life too. Start today, start now. Even 5 minutes is enough. Thank you.